totally just like melted on me. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name's Julie. If you're new, welcome. In tonight's video, I'm going to be unboxing the IPSY Mystery Bags for the month of July. This is the Poolside Stripes and the Summer Splash Mystery Bag. I'm gonna start with the Poolside Stripes. It's this pink, I don't know if you could tell, but it's kind of like fuzzy. It's not really a towel texture. It's almost like a felt kind of texture. I don't know. It's got this little orange toggle and it's orange lined inside. First thing I see is the Estate Cosmetics. This is the Rose Rendezvous eyeshadow palette. I do believe this was in one of their IPSY GLAM bags. Yeah, I already have this palette. I'm gonna package this back up and put it in my giveaway bin. It's like a super cute little tiny travel palette. Estate Cosmetics honestly aren't my favorite. I feel like they're a little lesser quality, but to each their own. Okay, next, the Pokey Soft Glow Highlighter. And this is in Rosy. It is like a rose gold. It is very natural. Don't look at this swatch, look at this one. It's actually, in the pan, it looks pretty intimidating, but it's actually a very natural light highlighter. I feel like this would be really good for like your arms, shoulders, everywhere with like a brush. So that's like really beautiful and just subtly glowing. Here, let me put it on my arm. I'm gonna put some right here so you can see. Like, you see that? How it just subtly made it glow. Next is the Coty Hydrating Body Lotion. It smells nice. It's almost like a rose. Honestly, can't pinpoint the smell. It smells good, nothing like incredible. But it's always good to have like a little lotion in your handbag. Okay, and last, this is the Hey Honey Matte Primer. I literally have a million of these. In the giveaway bin you go. Oh, also, this came with it. This was the Morning Dew Hydrating Mask. Love sheet mask, can't get enough, so that's a good one. And then the Summer Splash Mystery Bag. This is the same felt type texture, except in blue with like a pink accent. Honestly, I don't love the texture of the bag. I feel like if they did a towel material, it would have been so much cuter. The texture is kind of weird. This one opens like this, pink inside. Let's see, this is the LYFESTYLE Peptide Lip Mask. I have one of these already, but in a different color. This has like a strawberry smell to it, I think. Ooh, this is the Chica Beauty Gel Eyeliner Duo, but this has a shimmer and a matte. Sirena, La Sirena. I honestly was about to film a makeup tutorial because in a previous video I received this palette that has these two mermaid colors in it. So this together, leave me like a mermaid emoji if you want to see like a wearable mermaid inspired makeup look. Honestly, this eyeliner is so creamy and goes on so beautifully. Oh wow. The matte one is very dark, but the glitter one is literally everything. Okay, let's see what else. We have the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer, literally a classic. I don't love getting drugstore products in these, but that's a good primer. OFRA Skin Vitamin C Cleanser. Very cool. I have a tonic from OFRA and it's actually really good. So excited to try that. And lastly, we have the Beauty Vault Lip Liner Trio. 3 lip liners in here. Shades. Sweet Suki, Pure Poppy, and Lust Lily. Lush Lily, Poppy, and Suki. Cute. They're super creamy to the point that they like melted when they touched my hand, but I will definitely experiment with those and let you guys know what I think. Maybe I'll use them in a makeup look. That is what was in the Summer Splash and the Poolside Stripes Mystery Bag for July from IPSY. Honestly, not the best. I think June's larger mystery bag was way better. The bags aren't that great, like they're a weird texture. But yeah, Anyways, if you guys like these videos, leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to see next. Subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.